Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I had laid out chicken this morning out of the freezer. I was kind of trying to figure out what to do with it, wanting to be a little bit creative, maybe do a little something different. So I'm gonna do kind of a spin-off on the Crock chicken recipe. Let me grab some spray. I'm going to spray the inside of my crock pot. Now you could do this in the oven, or you could do it in your crock pot or an Instant Pot. Okay, I prefer a crock pot because that's what I'm used to, of that generation where we got crock pots for wedding gifts. Anyway, I like a crock pot. I like to be able to throw something together and it to be done at dinner time without a whole lot of effort. And one pot cleanup, I love that. So I'm gonna start with pouring the juice off of 1 can of whole kernel corn. And if you have black beans would be good with this, honestly. And this is gonna be a pretty versatile recipe. You could shred this and put it on a sandwich, a sub. You could use it as an entree, or you could put this in a burrito. My chicken is a little bit still frozen, so it's like 4 breasts. Let me toss this. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna do to this to season it up. Okay, obviously chicken needs a little salt and a little pepper. Just a little bit to taste. And I'm gonna throw some everyday all-purpose seasoning in there as well, just for good measure. And mine has gotten damp. Doesn't change the flavor, it just changes the texture. Makes it a little harder to get out. Anyway, okay, so there's that. Now I have some Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of that. This will be really good seasoning. I'm gonna add my can of drained corn. And again, if you have black beans, that would be really good with this. You should have kind of a southwestern flair, or some roasted red peppers would be good. I'm probably gonna serve mine with a little bit of the Cowboy candy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna grab some and add some to that. And for the members of my family that don't like that heat, they can simply scrape that to the side or put it on my plate, and I'll be happy to take care of it. I did not get that out. There we are. Here we go. Let's put a little bit of these in there. Okay. You can put jalapenos or banana peppers or pepperoncinis. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the rest of that. Pour that in there. If you're making this Cowboy candy along with me, reserve the rest of your simple syrup that's in it and marinate your tenderloin, your pork tenderloin or your chicken in it. It'd be great. I'm gonna add almost a full block, 8 ounces of cream cheese. I had taken about 2 ounces off of this and had some pepper jelly. I'm gonna cook this on low and slow for about 6 hours. Well, if I can open it. And when I finish with it, when it's finished cooking, I'm gonna add cheddar cheese to the top of it as well. And I'm just gonna call this Cowboy chicken. Cowboy crock pot chicken. It's a pretty good name. I'm gonna add some bacon bits, and then I'm gonna close this sucker up and turn it to low and let it cook. This would be great for tailgating too. It'd be great on nachos because the chicken's gonna be tender enough to just pull it apart. It's about 3 tablespoons. And that is what I'm fixing for supper tonight in my kitchen. Cowboy chicken in the crock pot. Give it a try. I'll show a picture of it when I post this recipe and with this video. Have a wonderful day. Be great with rice too. Anyway, see y'all.